And when I asked him, he said, "Oh, we recently upgraded our leather." I was like, upgrade? Doesn't feel like an upgrade. I was so excited for today's video. This is our 5-minute Fashion Friday, and it was supposed to be just an unboxing and my first impressions on the Polene bag that I recently got, but it turns out as a bit of a disappointment, and I wanted to share with you. It was a bittersweet experience because I met a follower, a very sweet follower, and we've been chatting for almost 2 years now. So we went shopping together, we went to Sezane, and then we went to Polene. She did get a bag. She got the seam bag, which is beautiful, and she's so happy with hers. I just wanted to mention that we did see some of the newest styles and colors, and as always, the whole experience was just so beautiful. The store is amazing, the staff just so friendly. Just the bags are really impeccable. I love Polene, and the reason I wanted to get another one is because I own the Numero Sept, and I got this almost 2 years ago. And I love this bag until now so much. I have worn a lot and it still looks impeccable. It's very structured, it didn't get scratchy. The hardware still looks new. It does have some dirt here and there, but I feel that if I clean this nicely, it's going to look just new. So I did wear this one so much and I loved the quality and the craftsmanship. If you don't follow this account here, you should, because he has done so many reviews on leather and I love his reviews. So I went to the store finally after so long, and I was 100% sure that I should get the Numero Neuf, which is number 9, and I love this bag. So now they give you this box, which is a recycled cardboard. It used to be a glossy finish, so they definitely cut cost when it comes to the box, but it is good for the environment at least. And this is the dust bag, so it's really big, and the bag is right here. So she is beautiful. I love this color. It's even matching my top. It's not on purpose. Yes, it is. And don't get me wrong, the bag is beautiful, but there was one thing that just caught my eye, caught my hand right away, which is when I touched the bag. So first of all, I was trying one from the display that had a really supple leather. It was very soft, very luxurious. I was interested in the brown one at first, but because I want to get a brown bag from a different brand, I decided to go with the chalk. This really caught my eye, and that's one of the best colors they have. I also love the taupe, but I have another taupe bag, so I went with the chalk. Perfect for summer, and I was so excited. So when I was ready to pay, I gave back the display one, and he brought the new bag for me. And the minute that I touched, I knew it wasn't the same leather. It wasn't. Even Louisa, my friend who was with me, she said, "How do you know?" And I was like, "No, you know. You know, especially me, I do have a lot of handbags, and I have from so many different price points. I have inexpensive bags and I have very expensive ones. So I know my leather, I know." I felt that something was off. The leather felt more porous and also dry compared to the other. And when I asked him, he said, "Oh, we recently upgraded our leather." I was like, upgrade? Doesn't feel like an upgrade. It just felt so different. But I was already paying and I didn't feel comfortable to just leave the bag. I said, I'm just gonna take it home and see how I feel. But the minute that I put on like on a flat surface to record this for you guys, I noticed that the bag was so crooked. I don't know if you can see. I was like, maybe they gave me a knockoff. What if someone returned the bag and they didn't check if it was real and they just gave me this one? I don't know. I didn't know what to think. This is $610, so at this price point, I think we should really get something that has a wonderful quality. I don't mind paying a high price if it's going to match the quality, but I'm not sure about this one. It even has a little stain here on the side that I'm seeing now, which feels so off. So do you own this bag? If you own this bag, please let me know how you feel about it. If it's crooked like this, if that's normal. It just felt so weird. So the bag itself, just so you know, it has a strap that's removable. It doesn't have a lot going on. It's just one big compartment inside, and they have a mini version of that. In my opinion, the best way to carry this is in the crook of your arm or as a top handle. I feel it doesn't look really great as a shoulder bag or crossbody. but it's good to have it just in case you need. Sometimes you just want to be with your hands free. So yes, this is my overall experience with the bag. I would love to hear your opinion, if you would keep this or not, or if you had a similar experience. I think it's just so important that we talk about it, because it could be just one piece that didn't feel great, but if that's something that's happening often with the brand, I think we should definitely discuss. It is a brand that I love and admire for so many reasons, and I hope they're not like going down in quality, because it would be really a shame. I'm sorry about the rant. I wanted to make it fun and enjoyable, but it ended up being just an honest review. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in 2 days in my next video. Bye bye.